Hello everyone. It is late in the night. I've been watching movies since yesterday. So I decided to make me a little bit of cabbage. I'm going to put some pepper in it now. I love this little pepper thing, but I think you got to do it to the right. Yes, boys and girls, lots of pepper. Not lots of pepper. I'm going to put some onion, and it keeps getting, okay, that time I let loose. Some onion powder. Lots of onion powder. And some garlic. I love garlic. And I'm going to put some regular seasoning in it too. Just a little bit. Some of this. I take the look. I show only like 2 or 3 little holes. Now I'm gonna put some paprika in it. I gotta use the little holes. I love this stuff, boys and girls. I have half a stick of butter in the pan already, and a little bit of oil. So now I'm gonna pause this while I go in the refrigerator and dig around and see what I have in there. I found some ribs. Yes, I found some ribs. So I'm gonna take some ribs, maybe like 2, since it's late in the night. I'm just gonna cut me 2 ribs. Ooh, 2 ribs. Oh no, that was 3. Okay. That was 3. It's only like 3 o'clock in the morning. I won't be going to bed till about 6. So just gonna put that there. And actually, I'm supposed to be cooking tonight too. I want some beans in the crock pot with smoked neck bones. So I'm gonna just give it some time and see how I feel. I just washed off some mushrooms to put into my cabbage. I think I need a little bit more butter. It's just a little bit of moistness at the bottom of the pan. And now I'm going to tidy up a little bit. I think my pot is bubbling up. Oh, left the water on. Sorry. Look at that. That cooked down nicely. Nice. I'm not sure, but I'm going to try one before I decide if I have enough paprika in it. That's a big old taste, isn't it? I think about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, I'll be fine. I actually love the cabbage with a little crunch on it, but I just want to get some of the flavor mixed in there. Oh, and the mushrooms are getting what's hidden in there. Mushrooms are hidden in there very well. I think it's time to take my cabbage out now, and my meat is already out. And I haven't been on the computer for a whole just about 24 hours, so boys and girls, it's time for me to get in my craft room and get on that computer and start socializing. This right here is my happy plate. You can see the smoke. My ribs are hot, but I really have to taste my cabbage right now. My ribs, I already know are delicious because I made them yesterday. I think it was just like, oh, look at them. Look at that big old mushroom right there. The mushroom stood out. It had a little taste to it. I'm not like perfected on the taste of mushrooms yet. This cabbage is delicious. But Dollar Tree barbecue sauce is #1. I love it. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I shall chat you soon. And I know I got barbecue sauce in my teeth.